Did you have a question or an answer, Alicia? Do you have an answer? Okay, I should switch you and Zach. Can you see? Can you see? Did you find the intercepts here? You can't see the numbers? Pull your blue book out.
Miss Baldwin, he's needed glasses since 5th grade.
So let's hear from the back of the room. Georgia, can you give an x-intercept? Okay, so an x-intercept has an x value, and the y is at 0. Switch that up, Georgia. Can you give the x-intercept? 14, 0. And then you've already told us our y-intercept. Why is it so much more?
It's time and volume.
It's a giant. Let's go with giant pool at the moment. All right, describe what the intercepts mean in this situation, Sophia. Has anybody seen a big pool drain? Does it take 14 hours?
Yeah.
Now, if you have like a nice above ground pool and it just breaks open, that just takes like probably 14 minutes. Maybe less. Bust out. But the YMCA pool, when they have to drain that, I mean, the pool gets shut down for like 2 full days just to drain it and fill it again. It takes a long time. What you need is a huge hose. All right. Somebody else for the other intercept. Alicia. When the hours are at 0, the pool contains 10,080 gallons of Jello. Just kidding, water. Elephant toothpaste. You guys know what that is? It's a YouTube thing. All right, very good. So I'm looking for complete sentences. You could also say like before draining started, before draining began, there was 10,000 gallons of water in the pool. We haven't talked about the rate. Today's lesson's about rate. So a swimming pool is being drained at a rate of 720 gallons per hour. Is that rate proven in this table anywhere? Where's this 720 coming from? And is that rate shown in the table anywhere? It's gotta be there. If that's the table of the thing, and then there's going 720, it's gonna show up there. Maybe we need a calculator. Is 720 showing up? It says 720. So how much should it go down between 0 and 2? How much is it going down between hours 2 and 6?
2008.
That's it. I think you're right. Because it's 4 hours, right? And then how much here? Yikes. I'm gonna have to go with 2,880. No, that can't be it. Wow, there's our number right there. We know this one's pretty easy to see. All right, so I see 1440, but I don't see 720. Where's that rate of change coming from? Do you know this up here? Go ahead. What do you want to say? Yes, yes. So it's going down 1,440 every 2 hours. So if you divide that, it's 720 in 1 hour. Okay. This is what we're doing today. We're moving from intercepts to rate of change. So this is going down 1440 for 2 hours. You divide it by 2, and you get that 720 that was stated in the problem. I'm going to give you the formula. We're going to practice it. I just wanted to talk about it right now. All right, guys. The table shows the function relating the distance to Busch Gardens in miles and the time in hours the Torres family has driven. Find the x and y intercepts. Describe what the intercepts mean in this situation. Maybe I'll have you also, I'm going to call this letter B. Find the rate of change. You see it, Tony? Oh, you put your book away. You got your phone out. Bad choice. Bad choice. Bad choice. No. Are we ever done with Bellward? Oh, you're right. No, that's an honest statement. Let's fix that. I'm going to erase.
Whoa.
And put a 2 in.
It's magic.
That looks nice. That's my best erasing 2 I've done before. Oh. Come on. Let's tighten this up a little bit. This will be it. This whole first bit is A, and then B I made up. You're getting pretty good at this now. You're ready to move on. Asher, do you have any answers? X or Y? X intercept, Y intercept, looking for those zeros. 4 hours, 0 miles. Okay, thank you, Asher. I'll call on somebody else now. Lauren, haven't heard from you today. Y intercept. 248. There they are. Describe what the intercepts mean. Who wants to do a description? You want to again? No? Justin. It took 4 hours. You know what? A lot of people are going to say it took 4 hours to drive 0 miles. Because 4 is paired with 0.
To arrive to the destination. Libby, stop.
It's tricky. It's trickier than it looks. If you were on your own, it's just you and the paper, you don't know what you would write. Would you write 4 hours to drive 0 miles? That's 4 hours and that's 0 miles. You know, I'm tempted to write that. But this is a distance to the amusement park. So this means you're 0 miles away from the amusement park. You made it. You made it to the amusement park. All right, Y intercept. Janelle, can you do Y intercept? Yeah, I'm good at that too. As long as you put the word arrive in there, I will take it. Great job. Libby, what'd you do for Weiner Sub? What's your sentence? Okay, I was just going over it while you were chatting. Here's a great answer provided by one of your peers. At 0 hours, the destination is 248 miles away.
Libby, stop.
Another great answer. Before they started driving, they were 248 miles away from the amusement park. Are we gonna do one more? No, that was it. Oh, B. We have to do B. I was gonna bring in a whole other problem. Okay, B. What would the rate of change represent? Yeah, this is their need for speed. Jake, you have to put your device away. Okay. So this would be their speed, the rate of change here. Has anybody calculated it yet? And if so, how? Tyler. Up 62, up 62, and up 62. And we didn't have to do any division because these were changing by 1. But if this was going by 2s, we divide by 2. If this was going by 3s, we divide by 3. So let's just note for a minute that finding the rate of change required us to subtract. Subtraction is involved in finding rate of change. That's important for the formula you're going to write today. Alright, before we go over that formula, let's just take a look at your homework. Here's some answers. Get out your homework. I need to walk around and see it.
You said workbook.
No, Will said no. Will said textbook. All I heard him say was all the words, that's all I heard.
I thought I did.
Did you get a Okay, let me scroll. Here's the important problems, 21 and 22. All right, here's what your graph should look like. So who did I give credit for that didn't have a graph? Did everyone have a graph? I had a graph. Check your graph.
You got it wrong.
Alright, so I guess that's it. Does anybody have any questions? Alright, you're gonna take a few notes in your notebook.